Hi, welcome to VictoryXR's virtual eye dissection. Touch it with your probe. When you open the eye, you will notice a transparent, gelatinous substance filling the internal space of the eye. Let's begin with the posterior half of the eye. The retina is a thin sheet of tissue lining the inside of the posterior portion. Hi. Place the heart anterior side up on the dissecting tray. Use figures 1 and 2 as references. Let's locate the left and right atria, the two upper chambers of the heart. The left and right ventricles are located just below the respective atrium. Using a scalpel, cut the heart in half across both atria and ventricles and through the septum. Open the heart. Notice the thickness of the interventricular septum. Touch them with your probe. These strong fibers are attached at one end to the valve and at the other end to the papillary muscles in the wall of the ventricle. You will need to look up through the right ventricle. Touch it with your probe. Once deoxygenated blood moves into the right ventricle, it must pass through this valve to enter the pulmonary trunk and arteries on the way to the lungs. It's now time to begin our external observation of the kidney. Lay the two halves on your dissecting tray so that you are looking at the internal structures. Touch it with your probe. The medulla is the inner layer that includes the renal pyramids. Touch it with the probe also. Can you see the difference in the appearance of each region? Which appears lighter in color? Let's watch this animation together to look at the process. Hi, welcome to VictoryXR's virtual brain dissection. Look down at your dissecting tray. There should be a mammalian brain dorsal surface up. Observe the meninges. The outermost of these, the Dura Mater, forms a tough, double-layered protective sheet that encloses the brain and spinal cord. Touch it with your probe.